In 2019, teams from 7 nations from the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, or NATO, working together as Technical Activity MSG 145, completed technology development for a major step forward, supporting international cooperation in military operations. They completed the third phase of a decade-long cooperative effort to show how information technology can improve coordination and effectiveness of military coalition operations. Military operations are very complex activities. As a result, they need networked computer information technology called command and control, or C2 systems, to coordinate the flow of orders to military units and to report back from those units, keeping the commander and staff informed on the state of the operation so the right actions are taken at the right time for success, whether in battle, peacekeeping or humanitarian support. In recent years, powerful new software has been developed to help the military answer critical what-if questions in the complex domain of military operations, predicting the result of any action under a set of conditions. This simulation software keeps track of thousands of variables involved in the operations and shows the most likely result based on all this information. C2 Sim is about C2 systems interoperating with simulation systems. It involves complexity on top of complexity. Using simulations inside C2 systems provides a powerful tool for support of training, mission rehearsal, and analysis of proposed plans, which requires linking these powerful and complex software systems together. Until now, this has required either a human to copy information between C2 and simulation systems, or custom-built software interfaces for each system involved. C2 Sim, previously called Battle Management Language, provides a way to link the systems so that orders and reports flow directly between C2 and simulation systems, and it can work among different C2 and simulation systems used in coalition operations involving military of multiple nations, providing a very important capability called interoperability.
I'm a retired British Army officer. Why is this important? As we digitise the army, or all armies across NATO, we need to be able to use more tools such as modelling and simulation tools and simulation to support our planning for operations, and the C2 Sim standard will enable us to do that much better.
C2 Sim enables a long-sought military capability, train as you fight, supporting coalition collective training, planning and mission rehearsal. There also have been creatives used in acquisition and operational training for cyber EW environments. Orders reach the simulations automatically, and reports with status of operations flow back just as they do in operations with real forces.
Currently, military operations in coalition face more complex information interoperability challenges than single nations. Our work with C2 Sim is based on the standards that are developed by the Simulation Interoperability Standard organizations. In the previous phase, we tested CISO standards like MSDL and CBMLs, and they are first generation standards. We have made some recommendations to improve them and to bring them into one single and more flexible standard.
The goal of being able to interoperate military simulations with military command and control in coalitions has been an important goal to us for a very long time. For about the past decade, we've actually been working on making it real. We went through technical feasibility and then military utility, and now we're in the process of wrapping up a standard. So the standard draft is ready, and what we're doing now is a process of validation.
MSG 145 has educated the military simulation and training by presenting C2 Sim at the IITSEC and ITEC conferences yearly. The version of C2 Sim demonstrated is more advanced every year.
MSG 145 participated in CWIX starting in 2017 with 2 simulation systems. In 2018, we completed a more comprehensive set of tests driven by the Norwegian Command and Control Information System NORSIS, together with a web interface called SWAP. CWIX 2019 provided an even more complete set of tests, with more participants, inspired by the new Modeling and Simulation as a Service capability developed by another NATO team.
In 2019, MSG 145 conducted a new distributed mission planning exercise based at the NATO Modelling and Simulation Centre of Excellence in Rome, Italy, but actually distributed over a virtual private network using internet communications. 6 nations participated at the Rome site: Germany and Italy, with Sweden as an observer, via internet New Zealand, United Kingdom, and 2 sites in the USA. The Mini-X participants learned a great deal that will be necessary for operational C2 Sim-based exercises, and they concluded that the draft C2 Sim they used is ready to be balloted by CISO for operational use.